Welcome to the lecture series of Mechanics of Solids. In today's lecture, we are going to solve examples based on centroid of composite area. So let us start with the problem. So here this is the problem given. Let us read it first. Locate the centroid of composite area as shown in figure. Here the figure is given. Let us try to work out the centroid of this figure. Following this step, the first step is to locate the axis of symmetry, if any. Looking to the figure, it is clear that the figure is not symmetric about any x-axis or y-y axis. So we cannot find axis of symmetry and we need to work out x bar and y bar both for the figure. Second step, to decide the axis of reference such that the figure remain in first quadrant. So these two are the axis of reference. This is x-axis and this is y-y axis. So these two figures are axis of reference. Now the third step is to divide the figure in simple geometric shapes. So looking to the figure, we can take this rectangle as the first figure, the triangle is the second figure, and third is this quarter circle. So this complex figure is divided in three different figures. One, that is this rectangle, two, that is this triangle, and three, that is this quarter circle. So let us write the equation to work out x bar and y bar. So these are the equation of x bar and y bar. Here the negative sign in third figure area that shows this is to be deducted. Now let us work out a1, a2, a3, x1, x2, x3 and y1, y2, y3 first. We'll start with a1. A1 is the area of the rectangle. We know that the area of rectangle, that is L into B, length into width. The length of this figure is 4 and width is 2. So A1 will be equal to 8 centimeters square. Now work out A2. A2 is area of the triangle. We know that area of triangle, that is half into base into altitude. So it will be half into base, that is this distance. The total distance of this total distance is known to us, that is 4 centimeter. This is 1.6. So we can write this distance is 2.4 meter. So base of the triangle is 2.4 meter and altitude is already known, that is 3. So it will be 3.6 centimeter square. So A2 has been worked out. Now let us work out A3. A3 is the area of this quarter circle. We know that area of quarter circle, that is fourth part of area of circle. So let us equate the values and work out A3. So A3 has been worked out as 3.14 centimeters square. Now let us work out x1, x2, x3 and y1, y2, y3. Let us start with x1. Before that, let us mark the centroid of all the figures. This point is CG of quarter circle. This point is CG of rectangle, and this point is CG of triangle. Now x1, that is centroid of first figure from reference y-y axis. So that is this much distance. Total length of the rectangle is 4 and this will be half of it. So it will be 2 centimeter. Now let us work out x2. x2 is the centroid of the triangle from reference y axis. So we know that this distance is 1/3 of the base. So that is 0.8 centimeter. And let us work out x3. x3 is the centroid of third figure from reference y axis. The equation to work out this distance is 4r by 3 pi. So value of x1, x2 and x3 has been obtained. Now let us work out the value of y1, y2 and y3. y1 is the centroid of first figure from reference x-axis. So in this direction, the dimension of rectangle is 2. So this distance will be half of it. Now let us work out y2. y2 is the centroidal distance of second figure from reference x-axis. So that is this much distance. Now this distance is already known to us, that is 2 meters, and this distance, that distance of centroid of triangle from base, and it will be 1/3 of its altitude. So we can write. Now let us work out y3. y3 is centroidal distance of third figure from reference x-axis, so that will be same 4r by 3 pi. So value of y1, y2, y3 has been obtained. Now equate this all values in the equation of centroid and work out x bar and y bar. So by equating all value in the equation, the value of x bar and y bar has been obtained. Now let us mark the centroid in the figure. So this is the centroid of the figure, which is at 1.92 meter from reference y-axis and 1.91 meter from reference x-axis. So this way such problem can be solved. So here is the similar kind of problem. You have to work out the centroid of this lamina. Please give your answer in the comment box. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt or query, please write in the comment box. I will be there to help you. Thank you very much.